heard that one hit something.
Yeah. Dang, that one went away.
Oh, it's neat, like if, you shoot it straight in the air. Whoops. And it's fast.
All the way over.
Yeah, I actually, I saw it hit winners, man.
I sure did too, yeah.
That goes long distance with a big piece of lead.
Yep.